Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Forex Technical Market Update for July 31st, 2015. It is the end of the trading week and also the end of the trading month. And we are heading into August tomorrow. And I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Okay, in front of us, we have a chart of the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. And this market has been in a consolidation, an unorthodox consolidation pattern here, and we see that we pull back this morning slightly, and but the market, after pulling back, the market has recovered, and that is the very steep trend line on the 4-hour chart in the USD versus the Japanese yen. That is the trend line. Look on the daily chart. So those are the trend lines that are currently active with this currency pair. A close above 124.50. We're still seeing significant resistance up at this 124.50 level. And the market has to close above that for the bulls to regain confidence. And a move down below 123 would be fairly bearish, and we could see a move back down to the 120 level in this market. Taking a look at the Canadian dollar, the market attempted once again to take out the high, that 130 high, and close above it, and the market once again was backing off this morning. The good thing so far for the bulls in this market is that the market has not really sold off aggressively, because sometimes when we hit these levels, you would see an aggressive sell-off in the market, especially with this sell signal here. We didn't get a very aggressive sell-off. I mean, that still could happen because the market can't seem to close above these levels. But for now, the bulls seem okay. But be cognizant that a close below 128.62 will be fairly bearish, and for this USD versus Canadian dollar. Taking a look at the euro, we're still in a consolidation pattern, and as you can see this morning, the euro is up, but we're still in this triangular consolidation pattern, and this is really typical summer trading here in the euro versus the USD. Current support is at this rise in trend line. This trend line is fairly significant in the euro because it has been hit once, twice, 3 times. So we have support near this 108 level, and resistance is up at this trend line coming down up at 112. If we see the market close above this level, it will have to then close above 114 and 115 for the market, for the bulls to be more confident in the euro going to the upside. But for now, the market is just meandering at these levels. Taking a look at the Australian dollar was down this morning, and with the general weakness of the US dollar, the market rebounded. As you can see, the market traded down to as low as 72.40, but the market has since rebounded back up to 73.32. And we're currently, resistance in this market is currently at 73.60 and 74.40, while support is down at 72.20 level. Taking a look at gold, we see that the market was down, similar to the Australian dollar. The market was down on the morning, found support at the 1080 level, and is now recovering nicely. Okay, another market of interest is this triangular consolidation in the British pound versus the Japanese yen. We see that the market is just hugging this trend line here, this downtrend line. And if you are of any doubt that these trend lines can be of great significance, you see how this market is just hugging this trend line, and it wants to break to the upside, but we're experiencing significant resistance up at this 194 region. And for this market to continue up to 196, we would need to see a break as above this 194 region in the British pound versus the Japanese yen. Okay, so that's it in a nutshell for what is happening in the currency markets. And remember, next month is a new month, and we have August, September, October, November, December for the rest of the year. And because the market is consolidating like this, I'm anticipating that once we get some good breakouts, we will see some good trends into the end of this year. So I'm fairly positive that this market will continue, will once it breaks out of these patterns, will continue and give us some very nice trending opportunities. And trending opportunities for our investing system means some nice profits in the markets. So if you want to start the signals, I know some of you were on the fence. If you want to start the signals, click on the link below. Tomorrow is August 1st. Get started for the new month, and so you can start to see the signals work for you in your account. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. And until next week Monday, have a good day.